Snipe Squad, what it going on, boy? I'm talking about on. It is your boy Sniper Jones, man. Y'all know what's up, bruh. Y'all know what's up, bruh. I ain't even gotta say it. You feel me? Today is the day I stopped playing games, man. Shout out to my big bro, Unbreakable Kicks, man. He told me. He said, look, bro, the Melo Oak Hill 13 is gonna be hitting all the outlets coming soon. I'm like, nigga, on dog. Stop playing with me, bro. Everybody know those was like the dopest ones in the whole graduation pack to me. So when he told me that, I'm like, yo, you haven't been wrong yet, but this time, bruh, I'ma need to see some proof. And bruh, like the next damn day, I seen so many people taking pics, buying these Oak Hill Melo 13s at outlet stores. So you're probably watching this video, and if you're watching the video break, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. You was right, you know what I'm saying? Look, bruh, I'm wrong, all right, I'm wrong. Anyways, though, I'm about to link up with my boy Retro Rico. We about to go out here and see what they got going on. Might pick him up, might not, depend on what they looking like, because we all know the reason why they hitting outlets is because the material was B-grade type material, which means they probably got some misstitching here, or maybe got some factory stains here or there. You never know, but it's worth the shot going out there, going to look. And y'all know I gotta bring the vlog, and you know I gotta bring the gang, and you know a nigga got them chain, and you know that I do my thing, and you already know. What we gonna listen to today?
Slam dunking niggas like I'm in the NBA. I'm about my chest, I stack my chest like Frito-Lay. Nigga Jesus, forces, nigga Jesus, not no J. Probably won't even wear it, I still cut it anyway. I got all this drip, what can I say?
Yo, what's good, nigga?
What up, man?
So this is my boy Retro Rico. This is the man with the heat, you know what I'm saying? Anybody who needs your kicks, if y'all remember when I did that Jordan 5 wing video, this was the guy who got them, man. If you need Joe pairs, if you need them, guaranteed, hit my mans up. I will drop his Instagram down below. Rock with him. We about to head out and see these Melos, see if they there. You think they gonna be there?
Yeah, they holding a couple of them for me.
So that's what it is, bro. We gonna see them for the first time. Now we all know they B grade, but from the pictures I've been seeing, they still been good. You seen the early pair though?
Yeah.
They were straight?
Yeah, they were straight.
So let's get it, man. So I'm gonna probably do some B-roll on the road, and yeah. Okay, so we just pulled up, man. We just pulled up a nice ass ride. How long was that ride, bro?
Bro, it was about a good hour and a half.
Gotta be. Hour and a half ride. We just got here, and y'all know my camera is big as hell. I got like one of the biggest cameras on YouTube, period. So I'm not sure if they're gonna let me vlog in here because my camera is outrageously huge. So I'm not gonna walk in here all front mode like this. I'm gonna just kind of tuck it to the side and see what I can all get on camera. Here they are, bro. First pair on deck. The 159. What you thinking, bro?
I gotta get them. Gotta go with them.
Only question is how many pairs they got. That's the only question. Right off the rip, the material don't look that bad though. I don't see why they B grade. Is this like a B grade stamp? Oh, it's a size
on the box.
Or stamp is on the box?
Yeah, they stamp the box.
Okay. But since y'all already know what we here for, man, y'all know we here for the Melo 13s. I want to see what else they got in the store because I'm pretty sure it's a lot of other stuff that they got here. But what I want to say right off the back is shout out to the store for letting me vlog. If y'all watch my vlogs, man, y'all already know I get kicked out of everywhere I go. So when people show love and let me vlog, it's peaceful. I thank them for that. Like, thank y'all. Nike outlet, thank you. Jordan Cement 10s in here for how much they going for? 190. So they got the regular retail price for these, even though they're at the Nike outlet. So I'm guessing everything that's at Nike outlets aren't always outlet prices. I'm not even sure if people like these. Me personally, I didn't really like them too much. 10s has never really been like one of my favorite silhouettes anyway. I hear a lot of times they be having steals in the bins, so I'm about to walk to like the size 12s in the bins and see what they got in here.
A few moments later.
No, they don't. They don't have anything crazy.
Huh? Y'all know what sizes?
Nah, leave.
I have to do Jones, man. I ain't got no aviation.
Alright, you guys, as we can see, man, we are going crazy on these Jordans. We hit the gold, man. We hit the jackpot on dog. Now, the store up here, man, they had hella pairs, so me and Rico ran it up. I even got a few pairs for my bro. If y'all looking for them, they is out here in Atlanta. I think we at the Commerce location. I can tell y'all, you know what I'm saying, they have a few pairs left. I think they got some 10.5s. They got some 11s. They got them up here, man. We done copped about, I don't know, maybe 10 pair. Maybe like 11 pairs, something like that. Like I said, this 13 was my favorite out of the whole graduation pack, so you know I had to pick these up. So as y'all can see, man, they in hand. Y'all see the bags, bruh. Purchased, finally got them, finally bring them home. Please let me know what y'all think about these Jordan Melo 13s down below in the comment section. Alright, now we gotta pick all these shits up. Can I vlog and still hold all these shoes, you think, bro? And we off. Alright, y'all, we just got done picking up all these. See, I knew it wasn't gonna work. I knew it wasn't gonna work. I knew it wasn't gonna work. Okay, part 2. I got it now, okay? So we leaving out the outlet. We got all the pairs. My boy Rico got 2 bags. Yo, we look like real resellers right now, bro. So we got the pairs, it's late as shit. Why do I feel like it took us 3 days to get out here, bro?
It did take a minute. It was forever. That was a road trip.
Like I said, man, if y'all want any of these, man, hit my boy Retro Rico up. I will drop everything down below in the description. As y'all see, he got them pairs for you. You know what I'm saying? No problem at all. Like I said, I'm gonna give y'all a better and a more up close review when I get back to the crib in the studio. But I'm about to load up this car and just holla at y'all when I get back to the house. Let me make sure my mic on.
Please make sure.
Alright, we good. What up, man? We back at the crib from vlogging. I've been out all day. I'm extremely tired. Happy as hell I can finally end off this vlog with this pickup. As y'all seen in the vlog, these are the Melo 13s. Now, right off the bat, what I want to talk to y'all about is this is the first sneaker I've ever got that is a 100% B grade. B grade sneakers are some of the most trickiest sneakers to go about, especially when you selling B grade kicks. The thing about B grade kicks is not that like they're fake or anything like that. They most of the time just have small defects, whether it's painting or whether it's just factory mess ups, and that's why these weren't in any retail stores at all. Thing with B grade kicks, if they're really B grades and they actually come from like a retail store or like an outlet, you'll see the B grade stamp, as y'all can see right there by that size 10, that B grade stamp on every single pair. So if one of y'all is about to pick up a pair from somebody who got these from the outlet and you about to get them for a resale price, make sure that box has a B grade stamp on it. Don't matter. Look, I grab another box, still got that B grade stamp right there. That's mandatory. That is mandatory. Like I was saying, B grade doesn't mean it's fake. B grade doesn't mean it's a knockoff. All B grade mean is the quality check didn't pass. So with that being said, they're not A grade. You know what I'm saying? Imagine you going to a restaurant and they ain't got 100%, they just got an 88. You can still eat there, but it ain't the best, you know what I'm saying? So this release coming up is, like I said, the Melo 13, and the reason why people will still buy these B grades is just because they were never released in stores. We all know how it go. We all know how the hype is when it comes to these sneakers. And I think the main reason why it was B grade is because of this part right here. We all know that usually, let me grab another 13 so y'all can see what I'm talking about. All right, so check it out. Check out these He Got Game 13s. As y'all can see, they got the suede on the midsole, but the biggest difference between this sneaker and this sneaker that I didn't see a lot of people point out is the midsole, where the white pods are right here. You see that? That's a rubber material. No matter what 13 you get, if I'm not mistaken, I know for sure, no matter what 13 you get, it will always be a rubber material on the midsole. This Jordan 13, the B grade Jordan 13, the material on the pods or the material down here is a suede. It don't supposed to be suede. It does not supposed to be suede. That's like a huge difference that I can see, man. The midsole is suede. I think a lot of the defects have to do with sizing. Like some defects aren't as bad with the smaller sizes. Bigger sizes like your 12s, 13s, stuff like that, those have a lot of factory mess-ups. This one might have, you know what I'm saying, some glue stains here, small little glue stains there. But like I said, if you gonna rock the kicks, nobody gonna be all up on your shoes like this. At the end of the day, when you got these on and you rocking them and you out and about, nobody really gonna lean down, look at your shoe, tell you to take them off, pick them up, look at them. Trust me, you're gonna be fine. That's the reason why people still copping these, because the small mistakes don't really make the shoe bad. And then on top of that, if you find these at the outlet stores, you get a steal of a price. And yeah, man, it's a steal, bro. I still think that this shoe is the best out of the whole release, out of the whole graduation pack. Let me know what you guys feel about this Melo 13 down below in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. We're grinding, trying to hit that 10K before the end of the year. Let me know if y'all also want me to see like a full review. I will do a full review of these, no problem. I'm just not sure if y'all want to see that or not, because I know a few people have been talking about these and it's been all on my social media timeline. So if y'all not tired of this, I will do a full in-depth review. Make sure you comment, subscribe. Once again, tell me if you're picking these up, how you feel about them. Do you rock B grades? Matter of fact, that's gonna be the question down below in the comment section. Do you rock B grades? Me, personally, I did not get a personal pair. They did not have my size, which is a 12. But if they had these in the 12, I would have picked them up. And yes, I would have rocked that B grade. Trust me, there's no problem with it. Like I said, the only problem with B grade material is, you know, some factory mistakes. And that's fine, as long as it's coming from the Jordan factory themselves. Like if it's legit, but just got a few factory flaws that nobody really don't care about, I'm copping. That's just me, I'm copping. So thank y'all, man. Remember, SneakerCon ATL, I will be in there, man. Please do not be afraid to come up, jump in the vlog, take pics, whatever you want to do. I'm with it. It is your boy, Sniper Jones, and until next time, I will catch up with y'all. Gang, gang.